Imagine standing at the foot of a majestic mountain, its snow-capped peak piercing the clouds. The sheer scale of it leaves you in awe, a reminder of nature's grandeur and the endless possibilities for adventure. The air is crisp and clean, carrying the scent of pine and damp earth. Each breath invigorates your senses, grounding you in the present moment and connecting you to the natural world around you. This is George, the new unknown traveler, and today we explore the difference between hiking and backpacking. A symphony of birdsong fills the air, while a gentle breeze whispers through the trees. It's a melody that soothes the soul, a reminder of the harmony that exists in nature. This is the allure of the great outdoors, beckoning you to explore its hidden wonders. Every trail, every path, holds the promise of new discoveries and unforgettable experiences. Whether you prefer a leisurely stroll through a lush forest or a challenging trek across rugged terrain, hiking and backpacking offer unparalleled opportunities to connect with nature. Each step taken is a step closer to understanding the world and yourself. Picture yourself surrounded by towering trees, their leaves painted in vibrant hues of gold and crimson. The beauty of autumn is a spectacle that captivates the heart and mind. Crystal clear lakes reflect the azure sky, their surfaces undisturbed save for the occasional ripple. These serene waters offer a moment of peace and reflection, a chance to pause and appreciate the simple beauty of nature. As you venture deeper into the wilderness, you might encounter a family of deer grazing peacefully in a meadow, or catch a glimpse of a hawk soaring high above. These encounters are a testament to the thriving life that exists in these natural habitats. These are the moments that stay with you long after you've returned home, memories etched into your soul. They become stories to share, experiences that shape your perspective on life. So, lace up your boots, grab your backpack, and prepare to embark on an unforgettable outdoor adventure. Each journey is a new chapter in your personal story, filled with excitement and discovery. The world is your oyster, ready to be explored one step at a time. Every hike, every trail, is an opportunity to see the world from a new perspective. Whether you're a seasoned adventurer or a curious beginner, the trails await, promising a journey of discovery and rejuvenation. Embrace the call of the wild and let nature be your guide. Hiking, in its simplest form, is a walk in the park, or more accurately, a walk in nature, where every step brings you closer to the heart of the wilderness. It's an accessible outdoor activity that allows you to immerse yourself in the beauty of the natural world without requiring extensive planning or specialized gear. A typical hike can range from a short loop trail lasting a couple of hours to a full-day adventure covering several miles, offering a variety of experiences. The beauty of hiking lies in its simplicity and the freedom it offers. You can choose a trail that suits your fitness level and desired level of challenge, whether it's a leisurely stroll along a paved path or a more strenuous climb up a mountainside. The choice is yours. The gear requirements for hiking are minimal, making it an easy activity to pick up on a whim. A comfortable pair of shoes, appropriate clothing for the weather, and a day pack to carry water and snacks are often all you need to enjoy a day out on the trails. Hiking is a fantastic way to escape the hustle and bustle of everyday life, clear your mind, and reconnect with nature. It's a chance to find peace and solitude. It's an opportunity to slow down, appreciate the beauty that surrounds us, and breathe in the fresh air. Every hike is a journey of discovery, both of the world around us and within ourselves. Backpacking takes the spirit of hiking a step further, transforming it into an immersive wilderness experience, where every step you take is a journey into the unknown. It's about venturing deeper into the backcountry, carrying everything you need to survive and thrive for multiple days on your back, embracing the raw beauty of nature. Imagine waking up to the sound of birdsong in a secluded meadow, miles from civilization, where the only alarm clock is the rising sun. You unzip your tent, step outside, and take a deep breath of crisp mountain air, feeling the freshness fill your lungs. Your coffee simmers on a portable stove as you watch the sunrise paint the sky in hues of pink and orange, a moment of pure tranquility. Backpacking is about self-sufficiency, about carrying your shelter, food, water, and other essentials on your back, becoming one with the environment. It's about planning your route, navigating through challenging terrain, and setting up camp under a canopy of stars, where the night sky becomes your ceiling. This immersive experience allows you to truly disconnect from the modern world and reconnect with the rhythms of nature, finding peace in solitude. It's a chance to challenge yourself physically and mentally, to push your limits and discover the true meaning of self-reliance as you conquer each obstacle along the way. While both hiking and backpacking involve exploring the outdoors on foot, they differ significantly in their scope and requirements. Hiking is akin to a day trip, while backpacking is a multi-day expedition. The most obvious difference lies in the duration and distance covered. Hiking trips are typically shorter, lasting a few hours to a day, while backpacking trips can span several days or even weeks. This difference in duration directly impacts the amount of gear you need to carry. Hiking requires minimal gear, focusing on essentials like water, snacks, and basic first aid. Backpacking necessitates carrying everything you need to survive for an extended period, including shelter, sleeping gear, cooking equipment, and more. This difference in gear translates to a significant difference in weight. Backpackers carry significantly heavier packs, demanding a higher level of physical fitness and endurance. Choosing between hiking and backpacking depends on your experience, fitness level, and desired level of challenge. Section 5. Essential gear for hiking, light and simple. Hiking, with its focus on shorter excursions, requires minimal gear. The key is to pack light and prioritize essentials that ensure your comfort and safety on the trail. Footwear. Comfortable and supportive footwear is paramount. Hiking boots provide ankle support and durability for rugged terrain, while trail running shoes offer lightweight breathability for well-maintained paths. Clothing. Dress in layers to adapt to changing weather conditions. Moisture-wicking base layers, insulating mid-layers, and a waterproof outer shell will keep you comfortable and protected. Day pack. A comfortable day pack with a capacity of 20 to 30 liters is sufficient for carrying water, snacks, extra clothing, and other essentials. Other essentials. Don't forget a reusable water bottle, sunscreen, sunglasses, a hat, a map and compass or GPS device, a first aid kit, and a headlamp or flashlight. Section 6. Essential gear for backpacking, home away from home. Backpacking necessitates a comprehensive gear list, as you'll be carrying everything needed for your wilderness living. Investing in durable and lightweight gear can significantly enhance your comfort and enjoyment. A comfortable and supportive backpack with a capacity of 50 to 70 liters is crucial for carrying your gear. Look for backpacks with adjustable torso lengths and hip belts for optimal weight distribution. A lightweight tent or hammock system provides protection from the elements. Choose a shelter appropriate for the expected weather conditions and number of occupants. A sleeping bag rated for the expected temperatures and a comfortable sleeping pad ensure a good night's rest. A portable stove, fuel, pot, bowl, and utensils allow you to prepare meals on the trail. Choose a system that balances weight with cooking efficiency. Section 7. Top trails in the United States, from coast to coast. The United States boasts a treasure trove of hiking trails, from iconic long-distance routes to hidden gems tucked away in national parks and forests. The John Muir Trail in California is a legendary 211-mile trail that winds through the Sierra Nevada mountains, offering breathtaking views of granite peaks, alpine lakes, and verdant meadows. Spanning 2,190 miles from Georgia to Maine, the Appalachian Trail in the eastern U.S. is a bucket list hike for many, offering a diverse range of landscapes and challenges. Stretching 2,650 miles from Mexico to Canada, the Pacific Crest Trail in the western U.S. showcases the rugged beauty of the American West. From deserts and forests to mountains and volcanoes. Hike through the Virgin River in the Narrows, Zion National Park, Utah. Wading through cool water and marveling at towering sandstone walls is an unforgettable experience. Section 8. Top trails in Canada, Northern Exposure. Canada's vast wilderness is home to some of the most awe-inspiring hiking trails in the world, offering a true escape into nature. The West Coast Trail in British Columbia is a challenging 47-mile trail that traverses rugged coastline, rainforests, and beaches, offering stunning views of the Pacific Ocean. Hike to the base of Mount Robson, the Canadian Rockies' highest peak, on the Berg Lake Trail in Mount Robson Provincial Park, British Columbia. Be rewarded with stunning views of glaciers, waterfalls, and turquoise lakes. Explore the Bay of Fundy's dramatic coastline on the Fundy Trail Parkway in New Brunswick, hiking through forests, along cliffs, and past waterfalls. Hike to the top of Gros Morne Mountain in Gros Morne National Park, Newfoundland, for panoramic views of the Long Range Mountains and the rugged coastline. Section 9. Top trails in Mexico. Adventures south of the border. Mexico's diverse landscapes offer unique hiking opportunities, from volcanic peaks and Copper Canyon to ancient ruins and lush jungles. Hike through the Copper Canyon in Chihuahua, a network of canyons larger and deeper than the Grand Canyon, and experience the rich culture of the indigenous Raramuri people. Explore a surreal landscape of volcanic craters, lava flows, and sand dunes in the El Pinacate and Gran Desierto de Alta Biosphere Reserve, Sonora, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Hike along the rim of the Sumidero Canyon in Chiapas, marveling at its towering cliffs, cascading waterfalls, and the Grijalva River flowing below. Please hit that subscribe button. It costs you nothing and will really help our channel grow. And make sure to leave a comment below telling me what or where in the world you would like to see in the future. Until next time, this is George, the new unknown traveler, signing off.